Hey champs, today we are going to learn how to upload image in Node.js with middleware. So this video we can learn middleware and upload file, upload image. Okay, now let's start. So first need to create app.use uploads and express static upload. Okay, so add directory, upload directory. And now going to the middleware. So for upload, we have create, we will create upload.js. So this is a middleware. Now we have to create it. Let multer need to require multer. Okay. Storage, let storage and storage has two parameters is two parameter destination as a function and the other one is file name. Okay, so cb null upload, so need to add upload folder here and the file name has cb null file name all and load multer add storage here and module module both exports is equal minus. Now this middleware has been done and okay. Now we are going to route the create route and use upload dot upload single image. So need to add upload middleware here. Upload single. Okay. So this is multer method and the other method is array and you can add count of array. So we can save multiple images at a time and single image at a time. But now we are just working in single image. So this is a profile image. So I'll add the name of profile image. Okay, middleware is also done. So route is also done, middleware is also done. Now need to go to the index file. So add dot it add a route which name is upload. Okay. So this response dot send file upload.html. Now we need to create upload.html file. HTML file and first you know everything. Now create HTML file and title upload. No need to add any style sheet here. Upload is Okay. And create a body, create a form and input file, name, ID, ID. Okay. Now this is a file to upload. We need to change name, profile, the next one is, which is used in a route. Okay. Profile image, mm, middleware and route and upload image. Okay. All the things have been done now. Now we need to check this. Going to here. Okay. Let's choose upload file. I need to change action here. API user and create. This is the create cloud. Okay. Upload HTML create cloud method post and make sure add ink type as multi-part form data. Just try to upload this, choose file, and you need to add this. The upload image. So image has been uploaded successfully now. Need to check this is upload. Now we can delete this and go here, choose file, upload map, and the map file. So this is a single file. Now we need to learn multiple file, how to add multiple file. So we just need to add another input here. Okay, same name, don't change name. Okay, and go to the route. You just change array and add here how many files you want to upload at a time. Nothing to do, just two small changes, and you can upload multiple files. Okay, now going to here and refresh this. So first I need to remove this file and go browser. First choose filter, map, and reduce. Now upload. This file has been uploaded. So friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, so like, subscribe, and comments and share. Thank you very much for watching.